All right, we'll get going. We're in a module 17 this week, and module 17, I think is pretty fun. It actually gets us out of this world of just interacting with green text all the time in Python, and it allows us to create what's called a graphical user interface. The graphical user interface, or GUI, is what we're mostly used to these days, so we kind of take it for granted. Although maybe after a semester of dealing with command line stuff in Python, you won't take it for granted so much. Maybe especially once you see how a graphical user interface is made and some of the particulars behind the scenes. But a graphical user interface is simply the ability to interact with buttons and menus and widgets and clickable things and windows and draggable items on your screen. And that actually was invented by, I don't know if you know this, but invented by Xerox. And it was invented at Xerox PARC as a workstation there. And then adopted for the first versions of Mac and Windows OS. So graphical user interface has been around for a while. We do take it for granted somewhat. And thankfully, we don't have to do things from scratch in Python to create a graphical user interface. We can use a module called TKInter, which is short for TK interface. And it is a built-in module. So it is now part of the main Python built-in modules group. You do still have to import it, but you don't have to install it. It is good to make sure that whenever you're using TK interface to try and make sure you have the latest version of Python, because they do update TK interface with that.